Hey everybody, Michael here with a very quick message about a fantastic free paper offer from PermaJet. Since we did the Canon desktop printers overview video, PermaJet have asked me to pass on details of a fantastic free paper offer to you. So basically, this is how it goes. If you purchase a Canon Pro 1000 printer from PermaJet.com throughout the month of July, you will be eligible to receive a free 25 sheet pack of A2 sized Photo Lustre 310 paper. Photo Lustre 310 is a heavyweight paper, 310 grams per square meter, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous luster finish with beautiful image definition and fantastic color reproduction. So it's a really, really nice paper, especially for, it's actually for general purpose use. It's fantastic. So to get your free paper, go to PermaJet.com, purchase the Canon Pro 1000 printer, and when you're checking out, just input the code OSM2002. It couldn't be easier, okay? And that will qualify you for your free pack of paper. That's a free 25 sheet pack of A2 sized Photo Lustre 310 paper. So enjoy.